if you have studied a little bit, you know that the brain has the greatest capacity for retention. No computer is close to it. But the other side of it is whatever gets into the brain, it doesn't delete. Whatever gets into the brain remains in the brain. Why are we taking so much time to teach about transformation? Remember last time I said the core of transformation is the mind. Even the foundation of Christianity is repentance. What is repentance? Repentance is changing your mind. Metanoia. It's changing your mind. That's what repentance is. So to do well as a believer, it has to do with mind change of mind. It has to do with transformation. And we are taking this so much time to teach because I have found out. I study a lot. I observe a lot. I have found out that the wealthy people, they have one basic thing in common. All of them think alike. The successful people, their thinking is the same.